Let's start. M is for monkey. M. Smart. M is for mushroom. Nice. Well done. Good job. M is for moon. Nice. Well done. Smart. M is for monster and for man. M. Ow. Bye-bye. M. Let's start. N is for nut. N. Well done. N is for notebook. Well done. Nice. N is for nose. Great. Good one. Wow. N is for night and for nest. N. Ow. Bye-bye. N. Let's start. O is for octopus. O. Smart. O is for owl. Good one. Smart. Good one. O is for ostrich. Well done. Good one. O is for omelet and for orange. O. Wow. Bye-bye. O.